Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Palantir Technologies, complete guide step by step clearly. Investing in Palantir Technologies can be a strategic decision for both new and experienced investors. Begin by researching Palantir Technologies to understand its business model, products, and market position. Visit the company's official website to gather information about its services and client base. Review financial reports and earnings calls to assess the company's past performance. Examine press releases and news articles to stay updated on recent developments and partnerships. Understand the industry landscape and how Palantir fits within sectors like data analytics and artificial intelligence. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that offers access to the stock market. Fill out the necessary forms to establish your trading account. Verify your identity and funding sources as per regulatory requirements. Fund your brokerage account by linking your bank account or depositing funds directly. Once your account is funded, search for Palantir Technologies by its ticker symbol, PLTR. Analyze the stock price and charts to determine current market trends. Set specific investment goals, whether for short-term gains or long-term holdings. Decide how much capital you are willing to invest in Palantir. Place a market order to buy shares at the current price or a limit order for a specific price point. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. Monitor your investment regularly, checking for major news and financial updates related to Palantir. Evaluate your investment periodically to determine if it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market conditions and company performance. Engage with investment communities to gain insights and different perspectives. Always remember to invest responsibly and stay informed about broader economic trends that could impact your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.